Waiting on one of these aftermarket cams to get put up in. A lot of them went waiting on the aftermarket cam. Let me see, I got this subscriber things. I'm gonna take these. Yeah. I got a lot of stickers. Hold on, y'all. I'm getting these stickers together. I need to get my food before the police come. Well, I'm trying to get the right stickers, y'all. Hold on. Damn, I thought I put my cards in here, man. I ain't got no cards over here. Somebody gonna get the big look out. Yeah, I need to get somebody. I need to give out a couple big look out. Okay, yeah, just two though. Okay. Yeah, nah, this still ain't enough. I need everybody at the track down there to have a look at it. Alright, this ought to do it right here. I sure wish I had some more cars. Okay. How much freaking horsepower is your Caprice pushing? Around 850 horsepower. Oh yeah, dude, it does it with the ease. That's with the air conditioning on. Hey, look out! You need a sticker, Aaron.
Hey, was it free or I got to pay for it?
I want you to pay. Nah, I'm bullshit. I'm gonna give you this one. You gonna put it on your truck?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
Right there,
Yeah. You need one too, right?
Shit, fuck it, dog.
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
Ready? Yeah. Aaron really be driving this shit. Look out. Hey. Oh, small blocks. Little 4 cylinders. What y'all know about them 4 cylinders? Ain't nobody in here like them 4 cylinders? Okay, they go. Hey, look out. You on my YouTube channel? Subscribe right there with the QR code.
We're going to do it right now.
Alright, bet. Small block or big block? You on there too? Small block or big block? Big block, okay. Yeah, she represent big block. Nitrous turbo or supercharged? Turbo, okay. Big block turbo.
They running for 2,000 over here.
Oh, they running for 2,000. Let's go get this 2,000.
Yeah, get this on the camera.
They get this 2,000 on camera, y'all.
Yeah, right here. This one for 2,000.
Yeah. He win this one. I'm gonna give him a big look out still. Hey. Get the screaming, goddamn. Uh-oh, we got a little diamond. There go a little diamond, y'all. Hey, oh, they didn't. I told y'all they done did something to this damn video. That's enough.
Very nice.
Alright guys, this is what Yello Belly's all about.
Over there?
Over there. What's that?
This is a
Yeah.
$2,000 bet on the line for these two. Corvette versus Mustang. $2,000 on the line.
2,000 on the line, y'all. Okay. Little diamond. Oh, got that lookout racing. Okay.
Place your bets.
All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all head over here to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. I'm betting right here. Hey, this side. Let me find me a bed. That nigga jumping up out them gates. Uh-oh. He trying to get the crowd hype with his juice. I want this side. He getting up out them gates. This one for real, he said. See, here we go, y'all. Oh! Ran his ass down. God damn.
Gave it all up on the tree, tracked it down and wins by 2/100ths of a second. Wow.
Damn.
Man.
Ooh.
Drive-by.
Huh? Huh?
That was fun to watch.
I gotta represent this shit.
So that's one. I mean.